taking my pieces out. To my pump. So those are my pieces to my pump. And what I want to show you guys is other pieces here. I just cleaned this piece. This don't usually touch the milk, so I just clean it with soap and water. Now this piece right here is so important. I call this the brain piece. Please, y'all know that I haven't been pumping for Keyshawn for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this piece out. Trying to do this with one hand. Okay. Pop. This piece out. I got the other piece in my mouth, so it may sound weird. Pop this piece out, and then put the new piece on there. So you want to make sure it's secured. Push it in tight, right? So these are my pieces. So you need this piece here, this piece in here, this piece right here. Like I said, I'm doing this with one hand, so like this. And then this piece is so important, so I need to clean that out. But this right here, this round piece around here, you want to make sure it's secured. On any pump, make sure this round piece is secured. If it's not, the pumping, the suction piece will not function as tight as it can. So please make sure this round piece is pushed down and it's secured in every spot. It shouldn't be wiggly or moving around. It should be tight and secured. So let's go ahead and rinse this out. Okay, y'all, let's get to pumping.